The 3D and 4D Cine Sequence is a powerful tool in ultrasound imaging that enhances both the review and post-processing stages of volumetric data. The 4D Cine loop allows examiners to review volumes and select the best demonstration of the region of interest. This is crucial for ensuring that the most informative and representative image is captured for storage or further processing. After capturing the volume, it can be stored in the ultrasound system's database for later processing. This enables additional adjustments such as reorientation, rendering, and other enhancements to create an accurate 3D or 4D reconstruction, enhancing the diagnostic value of the image. The 3D Cine mode enables rendering and animation of the volume data. The system allows for the rotation of the volume on screen in multiple directions, offering dynamic views of the region of interest. This capability aids in better understanding and interpretation of the scanned area, especially in complex anatomical cases. After processing, the 3D animation can be stored as an AVI or MP4 video file or as an image in common formats like JPG and bitmap. This makes it easier to share with colleagues or archive for future reference, supporting collaboration and ensuring the availability of high-quality images for clinical or educational purposes.